Students, today we shall try to learn how to solve the numerical problems of the lesson Reflection of Light. So open your page number 127 and try to understand when I am teaching you how to solve the problems. So let's begin with the first problem. So let me read the question first. An object of height 7 centimeter is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image? What will be the size of the image and the nature of the image? Now, let's see what is given first and what type of a mirror it is. It is a concave mirror. So, you have learnt about the Cartesian sign system now. That is, object is always considered, kept on the left hand side. So, since the left axis, x-axis is negative, we get answer of the object distance as negative. Fine. So, whenever we are writing object distance, it will be always negative. Whether it is a concave mirror or whether it is a convex mirror. Okay. So, object distance is designated by the letter U. Then, for a concave mirror, the focal length is formed in front of the mirror. That means on the same side where the object is kept. Therefore, here even the focal length becomes negative. And this I have already explained to you. Then the image, if it is formed on the same side of the object, then again it is a negative sign, right? Now let's see what is given in this question. Given is height of the image is given as 7 centimeter, that is h1 is 7 centimeter. Then the object distance is negative 25 centimeter. We have to write negative sign here to indicate that it is the left hand side. Object is kept on the left hand side, that is left axis. Fine. So therefore it is 25 centimeter. Okay, focal length is given as minus 15 centimeter, but we have to write a sign minus. Why? Because it is also formed on the left hand side. Fine. Now let us try to solve this problem. Okay, now using mirror formula, what we have to find out is, we have to find out V is equal to what? We need to find out the image distance and the height of the image. So image distance is given by the letter V, small v, and height of the image is h2. So let's use the mirror formula. So by mirror formula, we know that the formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now we have to substitute the values which are given. So by substituting the values we get, we have to find out. So what we have to do is that instead of substituting, first what you have to take is, take this 1 upon u on the right hand side and we get the formula 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus this plus sign. When it comes this side, it becomes minus 1 upon u. Now we can substitute. So f is given by 15 centimeter. So, and the sign of f, because since it is formed on the left hand side, sign becomes minus. So 1 upon f is 1 upon minus 15. This minus sign, that is this minus sign you keep as it is, and 1 upon u is minus 25 centimeter. So you write it as 1 upon minus 25 centimeter. Now minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, so what we are getting is 1 upon minus 15. This minus 15 sign we can take up like this and we can write it as minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 25. Now if you go to see 15 and 25, now what we have to do is that find the LCM. And you know that when we find LCM, the least common multiple of 15 and that of 25 is 75. Okay, that is 15 5s are 75 and 25 3s are 75. So that becomes the least common. So it is a common multiple and it is the least common multiple. Therefore, we have to make the denominator 75. Now to make 75 denominator, we have to multiply 15 with 5, and when we multiply 15 with 5, we have to multiply that 5 even with the numerator. Okay, the same way over here, if you want to make 25 into 25 as 75, then we'll have to multiply 25 with 3. So when we multiply 25 with 3, we are getting the answer 75. And when we are multiplying in the denominator, we have to multiply with the numerator also. So therefore 1 into 3 becomes 3. So what we are getting now finally is this minus 1 becomes minus 5 plus 3 upon 70, minus 5 upon 75 plus 3 upon 75. Now we are getting the denominator common. So we can keep the denominator common and we are getting the answer minus 5 plus 3. And we know that minus 5 plus 3, the answer becomes minus 2 upon 75. So now we can write it as, therefore 1 upon v is equal to minus 2 upon 75. So since this is inverse, okay, 1 upon v is inverse, what we have to do, we have to get v. So we can make that a reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 upon v is v, and reciprocal of minus 2 upon 75 is minus 75 upon 2. So when we divide, we are getting the answer. When we divide 75 by 2, we are getting the answer 37.5 centimeter. So this 37.5 centimeter minus sign. Okay. So this minus sign indicates now that the image is also formed on the left hand side. And of course, since it is a concave mirror, most of the times the image is formed on the left hand side. And it is far as compared to that of the object. Object is 25 centimeter, whereas the image is formed beyond the object, and that is minus 37.5 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. Now what we have to find out next, we have got now the distance of the image from the pole. We have to find out now the height of the image, that is h2 we have to find. So we can find this by using the formula m is equal to, that is m means magnification, is equal to h2 upon h1, which is also equal to given by another formula. It is also given, magnification formula is also given by minus v by u. So while writing, we can write it as h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. Now we want only h2, that is the height of the image. So what we can do is that we can take this h1 on the other side, that is on the right hand side. So it can get cross multiplied, and it will, from denominator it will come in the numerator, and then we can get the formula as, therefore h2 is equal to minus v upon u into h1. Okay, now we have to substitute the values. Now we know that we have got the answer of v as minus 37.5 centimeter, whereas that of object distance is minus 25 centimeter, and height of the image is 7 centimeter, you can see over here. So we will substitute the values, and we when we substitute the values, what we are getting is minus this minus sign which is there outside of v is minus 37.5. So therefore it becomes minus bracket minus 37.5, okay, upon u is minus 25 centimeter multiplied by h1 is 7 centimeter. Now when we can cancel these two signs, and we can even cancel 25 and 37.5. Or what we can do is, one more thing is that we can multiply these two first and then divide by 25. So what we are getting now, the answer after multiplying minus 37.5 with 7, we are getting the answer minus 262.5 divided by 25. Fine. And when we divide now minus 262.5 by 25, we get the answer as minus 10.5 centimeter. Now this minus sign indicates that the image is, the height of the image is this. Therefore, since minus sign is there, that means the image is formed inverted. Okay, that means perpendicular to the principal axis in the downward direction. That means downward y-axis, and downward y-axis is always negative. Therefore, we can say that from this negative sign, the image is inverted. Okay, and it is a real image, since real images are always inverted images. Now what we have to write down is this way. Conclude. Therefore, the image distance is 37.5 centimeter. Whenever we are writing the distance, though it is negative sign is only to indicate whether it is formed on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Distance is always written positive. Therefore, instead of writing negative, we will write here positive 37.5 centimeter. Height is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, though we are getting minus sign, but since it is formed inverted, we are writing minus sign. Fine. But here when we are writing, height cannot be negative. Therefore, we have to write 10.5 centimeter and it is real and inverted. From inverted we come to know that it is real, and since it is formed on the same side of the object, that means it is formed on the screen. And therefore, since it is formed on the screen, it is real. So, nature of the image is real and inverted. Size of the image is 10.5 and distance of the image is 37.5 centimeter. Now, let us go for the second problem now. So, the second problem is a convex mirror has a focal length of 18 centimeter. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? So, this is what is asked. Here the mirror is not concave now, it is the convex mirror. So, you have to remember that convex mirror, the image is never formed on the screen. It is always formed behind the mirror, and therefore, it is virtual and erect image. So, when we are solving the problems, we have to always take into consideration all these parameters. So, for convex mirror, the image is always formed on the formed behind the mirror. That means, therefore, it is virtual and erect. It is never formed on the screen. So, therefore, the image is formed on the right hand side, and right axis is always positive. So, focal length also is positive because it is also behind the mirror. Therefore, F is also positive. Object is kept always on the left hand side, so object distance will be always negative. So, remember all these points. Now, let us continue writing what is given here. Now, given is height of the image, that is, it is asked here. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror, half the height of the object. Therefore, what is given is height of the image is half of the height of the object, that is h2 is equal to 1 upon 2 of h1, and focal length is positive 18 centimeter since it is on the right hand side. Now, by using the magnification formula, we get h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v by u. Fine. Now, we have to substitute the value of h2 over here. Okay. And after substituting the value of h2, we are getting h2 as 1 upon 2 into h1. 1 upon 2 into h1 you have to write. Into this h1, you take it separately. We can write it as 1 upon h1, which is equal to minus v by u. Now, h1 and h1 gets cancelled. What remains is 1 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So, which is 1 upon 2 is equal to minus v by u. Fine. Therefore, we are getting minus v is equal to u. Once you cross multiply, you can get minus v as u upon 2. So, we can write it as minus v by u is equal to 1 upon 2. You can shift this place over here, and this you can take it this side. So, we are getting minus v upon u is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, minus v is equal to u upon 2. Therefore, we can write v and take this sign on that other side. So, therefore, v is equal to minus u upon 2. Now, we can use the mirror formula over here. By mirror formula, we have the mirror formula as 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore, we have to substitute now value of v. We have got already now, that is minus u by 2. So, when we substitute, we get therefore 1 upon 2 u, that is 1 upon 2 u or u by 2, or we can write it as u by 2. Okay. So, what we are getting plus this 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Now, we can take this 2 up like this, and what remains is 2 upon u. U remains like that only, but this 2 will go up and you will get answer as 2 upon u, and this sign is minus. You can write it in the numerator only, no problem. Even if it is in the denominator, we can shift it to numerator. So it becomes minus 2 upon u plus 1 upon u is equal to, f is given as 18 centimeters. So instead of f, we will write 18. So 1 upon 18. Now what we are getting, u is common in the denominator. We can take these two numbers now in the numerator together since u is common. So therefore we can write minus 2 plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. Therefore minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. Therefore you can cross multiply and we get the answer as minus 18 is equal to, when we cross multiply, 18 will come up like this, u will go that side. So what we are getting is minus 18 is equal to u. Therefore u is equal to minus 18 centimeter. Now what is the answer? What we have to write? What is the distance of the object from the mirror? So therefore we can say that the distance of the object from the mirror is 18 centimeter. Fine. So minus indicate that it is on the left hand side, but while writing the conclusion we will have to write down what is the sign. The sign indicates that it is on the left hand side. So, but while writing distance we will write it as positive 18 centimeter. Now let us go for the third problem. Third problem is a 10 centimeter long stick is kept in front of a concave mirror having focal length of 10 centimeter in such a way that the end of the stick is closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 centimeter. What will be the length of the image? Okay, so this is the question. Now we have to solve. You have to understand what is given first and you need to write down what is given. So here height is given of the object is 10 centimeter. So h1 is given as 10 centimeter. Then we have, it is a concave mirror. So according to the sign convention of the concave mirror, f is minus 10 centimeter because focal length is given as 10 centimeter. So we'll have to write the sign minus since it is a concave mirror. Then the distance of the object. Now how it is given in a different manner so as to confuse you, but it is very simple. What is asked here? The end of the stick, suppose this is your stick now. Okay, this is your stick now. End of the stick like this. Now this is the upper portion of the stick and this is the lower portion of the stick. So the end of the stick closest to the pole, that means suppose here is the pole, closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 centimeter. That means it is the distance of the object is said, but it is told in a different manner so as to confuse you, but you don't get confused. It is nothing but the object distance is given as 20 centimeter. You are asked to find out what will be the length of the image. That means the height of the image is what? So, by mirror formula, we know that it is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So, we can also write as, because V is not given, we have to find out. So, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Okay, now we have to substitute the values what are given. So F is given as minus 10 centimeter, but since it is a concave mirror, focal length is negative. Therefore 1 upon minus 10, this minus sign upon distance is always of the object is always negative. So therefore 1 upon minus 20. Now this minus sign which is there down, we can take it up in the numerator and this will become minus 1 upon 10, and this minus into minus sign becomes plus upon plus 1 upon 20. Now what we are getting? Now here we need to find out the LCM because we want the same number in the denominator, and if you see the LCM itself is 20, okay, of both 10 as well as 20. Now since 10 also is LCM 20 and 20 also is LCM 20, so we have to make the denominators 20. So we have to multiply 10 with 2, and when we multiply 10 with 2, we will have to multiply 2 also along with 1. So when we multiply 1 minus 1 with 2, we are getting the answer minus 2, and 10 into 2 becomes 20. Whereas this will remain same because here LCM itself is there. Therefore, this you will keep as it is, 1 upon 20. Now what you are getting is minus 2 plus 1 upon 20. So the answer minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1 upon 20. So therefore 1 upon V reciprocal of 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 20. So reciprocal of V is, when we find out, we get answer as V, which is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, so therefore we have got now the image distance, that is, which is at a 20 centimeter. Fine. So distance of the object, therefore the image distance is minus 20 centimeter. Fine. Now we have got the image distance is also 20 and even the object distance is at 20. That means when object distance as well as image distance is the same, that means the object is kept at the center of curvature. And you know that at center of curvature, the object image is also formed at the center of curvature, and the height of the image as well as height of the object is same. Now let us see whether height of the object which is given as 10 centimeter, whether we are getting even image as 10 centimeter or not. Now by using magnification, because we have to find out how many times it is magnified, whether it is magnified, highly magnified, diminished, highly diminished, or it is of the same size. Since I said that it is formed at the center of curvature, that means it should be of the same size. Let's see by using the formula. H2 upon magnification is equal to H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. So we have to find out what H2 is. So therefore H2 is equal to minus V upon U multiplied by H1 by cross multiplying. Fine. Now what we are getting, we have to substitute the values of V, U and height. Okay. So V is 20 minus 20. So this minus sign of minus 20 upon object distance is also minus 20 multiplied by 10. So when we are cancelling minus 20, what remains is minus multiplied by 10. So the answer becomes now H2 is equal to minus 10 centimeter. That means okay, the answer what I said is correct. That means height of the image is also same as that of the height of the object. Therefore, now what we have to write is the length of the image will be 10 centimeter. So this is regarding all the 3 problems which are given in your textbook as numerical problems. So I hope so you have understood. Try to solve the problems again one more time so that it will be easier for you to solve later on. Thank you, dear students.